The ultimate cross-border fusion. Jah Prayzah and Lady Zamar drop Inini Newe. The Southern African music scene just got a major upgrade. Zimbabwe's Wagwizi, Jah Prayzah, has teamed up with South Africa's vocal powerhouse, Lady Zamar, for a brand new soulful anthem titled Inini Newe, Me and You. This isn't just another collaboration. It's a masterclass in how to blend the traditional mbira-fused sounds of the North with the sleek, Afro-tech and house pop sensibilities of the South. The sound. Soul meets culture. Inini Newe is a mid-tempo love ballad that allows both artists to shine in their natural elements. Jah Prayzah brings his signature deep, gravelly baritone and poetic Shona lyrics, while Lady Zamar counters with her angelic, smooth as silk vocals. The track explores themes of undying commitment and destined love, living up to its title, which translates to Me and You. Fans are already calling it the wedding song of the year for 2026, thanks to its heartfelt message and infectious rhythm. Why this collaboration matters. For Chero TV viewers, this link-up represents more than just music, it's about regional unity. Jah Prayzah continues his streak of dominant regional features, proving once again why he is Zimbabwe's premier musical ambassador. Lady Zamar makes a triumphant return to the spotlight, showing her versatility by jumping on a track that leans into a more organic, Afro-fusion sound compared to her usual electronic house beats. The visuals. The official audio has already set YouTube ablaze, and rumors are swirling about a high-budget music video. Given Jah Prayzah's reputation for cinematic visuals, think Watora or Dziva Rejaka, expectations are through the roof. When two giants meet, the earth shakes, but this time, it's shaking to the beat of love. Chero TV Music Desk. Where to listen? You can stream Inini Newe on all major platforms, including Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube. Make sure to keep your dials tuned to Chero TV as we bring you the exclusive breakdown of the lyrics and behind-the-scenes footage. What do you think of this collab? Is it a 10 out of 10 or do you want more energy? Let us know in the comments. Hashtag Chero TV, hashtag Jah Prayzah, hashtag Lady Zamar, hashtag Inini Newe, hashtag Zimbabwe music, hashtag South Africa music, hashtag Afro-fusion, hashtag New Music Alert, hashtag Wagwizi, hashtag Zamar Nation, hashtag African Music Unity.